Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about walnuts, and I have some specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with walnuts. So if you're looking for some meal or recipe ideas, hopefully these specific suggestions will help you out. You can combine walnuts with apples and beets in a salad, or walnuts with apples and cinnamon, such as in oatmeal or some sort of breakfast porridge. Combine walnuts with apples and wheat berries, walnuts with arugula, beets, and feta cheese, another salad there. Walnuts with basil and eggplant, walnuts with beets and spinach, walnuts with roasted bell peppers, garlic, and parsley, using that as a pasta topping, walnuts with blue cheese and onions, walnuts with breadcrumbs, garlic, olive oil, and Parmesan cheese, walnuts with butternut squash and sage, walnuts with carrots and raisins, walnuts with cheese and fruit, walnuts with cranberries, ginger, orange, and vanilla, walnuts with figs, honey, and yogurt, or walnuts with mushrooms and thyme. I do hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.